First, let's take a look at how to block other officials and schools on the website. Log into the COS and select Assignments from the left side menu. Then select the Create Block button on the far right side of the screen, and then the Conflicts heading. Next, you're going to select what type of block you would like to add. First, let's block a school. Type the name of the school in the field, select it from the drop-down menu, and then give your reason for the block, whether it's a conflict of interest or it's personal. You'll see the block is saved here in your My Block section. Now let's block an official. You select Block Official, and then type the name of that official, and choose them from the drop-down menu and select Add. If you need at any point to delete one of your blocks, just simply select the trash can icon and then delete, and you're good to go. Now let's take a look at how to set up these blocks on the mobile app. Log in and select Blocks from the bottom menu, and here you'll see the blocks that I just set up on the website. Tap the Create Block button, then the Conflicts heading, and then choose which type of block you would like to add. Again, let's block a school first. Type the name of the school into the field, select it from the drop-down menu, and then choose your reason for the block. Now let's block an official. Create Block, Conflicts, Block Official, type the name of that individual, select them from the drop-down menu, and tap Add. And there are all your blocks there under your My Blocks list, not only your availability blocks, but your conflict blocks. And again, if you need to delete any of these, just select the trash can icon and then delete, and that block will be deleted.